You're watching EDS TV.
Look what you did to my car. You scratched it. How much is that? Let me see. This all you got?
Yeah, 50.
This all your money right here?
Yeah.
You don't got no more money?
Yeah.
You got more?
No, nothing.
That's everything?
Yeah. Sorry, my friend.
You know what? Here, take your money. Here, take your money. I don't want your money.
Huh?
I don't want your money, Bob.
Pero ¿cuánto?
Don't worry about it. Nah, don't worry about it. I'll fix it myself.
¿Cuánto?
Nah, don't worry about it. Go
No
ahead.
tengo más, no.
Don't worry about it. Just drive safe next time. Drive safely next time. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go to your car. No. Go to your car. Go ahead. Papi, go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go.
Sorry, Papa.
Don't worry, Papi. I'll forgive you. Nah, don't worry about it. I don't want your money. I don't want your money. Go ahead.
That one corner, please. Yeah. Please. No problem.
I don't want your money. That's your last money. I don't want it. I don't want it, Pop. Just drive
One
safe
corner,
next
then.
time.
Please.
To the camera, you did good, my man. God is watching, and God bless you. This clip seriously touched my heart. The Tesla hits a center divider, maybe because they were on their phone. Allegedly, they were driving pretty recklessly prior to this incident. I guess the Tesla wasn't smart enough to avoid the median. The road was clearly wet, and the car was not speeding excessively, but maybe a tad too fast and possibly had bald tires. The driver and passengers were okay. The white Audi driver wasn't paying attention to slowing traffic and swerved into the middle lanes, hitting the Dodge Challenger, sending him into the center divider. The camera got out and checked with both drivers, and they were both okay, and sent dashcam footage to both parties.
That was awesome.
The camera caught justice being served, and very swiftly here. The white Mercedes tried to get off the carpool lane, crossing a double solid yellow line to try to go faster. He didn't see the motorcycle coming and ended up sideswiping the motorcycle. The Mercedes driver is 100% at fault. So the camera's mom decided her neighbor needed a new mailbox. Jokes aside, she became distracted after pulling out and has been spoken to and will pay more attention going forward. The guy in the pickup didn't enjoy being cut off and gets out of his car to let the other guy know that Duke fans are better than everyone else. This was a hit and run in South Valley, New Mexico. The camera followed him a short distance until he brandished a firearm. He turned back and provided footage to the victim and to the police. He was charged with fleeing the scene of an accident and assault with a deadly weapon. The woman in the Altima had her daughter in the back seat and was very shaken up. The camera was able to provide her the dashcam footage and moved her car out of the road because she was scared to get back in it. I'm guessing the guy who ran the red light was just not paying attention or probably using their phone. The driver doesn't look pulling out from the side street and straight into the camera's car. The other driver was found at fault and cited. There were no injuries reported. Shortly after the video clip begins, a red sedan goes past the camera on the right and weaves through traffic until it goes out of sight. A couple of minutes later, you see a Pennsylvania state trooper pull over the red sedan.
Double solid line. Cops get them too.
If you're going to speed, that's one thing, but if you have to pass on a double solid line, you should at least check your six. The vehicle ran a stop sign and failed to make a complete stop at the next intersection, causing the driver of the Nissan pickup to get T-boned. The camera was on his way to school and got hit by the lane-changing SUV. Unfortunately, his 8-month-old Camaro was totaled.
They had a library that was tremendous, and so this man Moses, we're told, was learned in all the wisdom of the Egyptians. That's the thing that you remember Steve.
The camera stopped to help. The passengers received bruises, but one passenger in the back had a broken ankle and had a hit in the head. There was another accident already in the same spot due to the same conditions. Unfortunately, the camera had a hydroplane accident. What's crazy is that she had 2 brand new tires.
Inside my body.
Yeah.
They're,
There's
like,
also
retracted.
there's also the last one I'll leave you with.
The camera talked to the driver of the Black Explorer. He was a little banged up, but okay. He reached out to the camera the next day for the video for insurance purposes.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.